These keyboard shortcuts will help you work more efficiently and effectively in Adobe Photoshop. 1. Ctrl+N. Create a new document or file. 2. Ctrl+O. Open an existing document or file. 3. Ctrl+S. Save a document or file. 4. Ctrl+P. Print a document or file. 5. Ctrl+Z. Reverse your last action or edit. 6. Ctrl+Y. Reapply your last undone action or edit. 7. Ctrl+A. Select the entire canvas or document. 8. Ctrl+D. Deselect a selection or cancel a selection tool. 9. Ctrl+X. Cut a selection and copy it to the clipboard. 10. Ctrl+C. Copy a selection to the clipboard. 11. Ctrl+V. Paste a copied selection from the clipboard. 12. Ctrl+F. Create a new layer in the document. 13. Ctrl+J. Create a new layer from a copied selection. 14. Ctrl+Shift+E. Merge multiple layers into a single layer. 15. Ctrl+T. Open the free transform tool for resizing and rotating layers. 16. Ctrl+I. Invert a selection, selecting the opposite of the current selection. 17. Ctrl+Shift+I. Invert the colors of a layer. 18. Ctrl+B. Open the color balance tool for adjusting color tones. 19. Ctrl+M. Use. Open the curves tool for adjusting tone and contrast. 20. Ctrl+Shift+S. Save a document or file optimized for web use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials.